Hello everyone. Today, one activity we have to perform. The activity is the total surface area of a sphere is equal to the area of four circle. Now, how to prove this one that a total surface area is equal to the area of four circle? I have taken one ball and the radius of this ball equal to the radius of these all circles. Okay, now one wool I have taken, long wool I have taken, and cover it with a wool, and now I take this wool and then cover with these circles, and I will, after that I show it whatever wool is required here to cover this sphere, the same length of wool is required to cover these four circles. Then we can say that the area of this sphere is equal to the area of four circle. Now let's start this activity. Now I am taking this wool. See, now I have taken all the wools. Okay, now I covered one circle with this wool. Let's see what happened. I am doing the work. Near about covered. Some more round I have to give. Now see, this is a totally complete. Now I open this wool and show you how much that length of wool is required for one circle. Okay, so this much amount of wool is required for one cover this circle. This much I have teared here. Okay, so I have teared this much wool is required for covered one circle, this much. Now for one circle covered, this much amount of wool is required. Now let's see, the remaining is three times of it or not. If it is three times of it, that means it is proved here that uh, surface area of a sphere is equal to the total area of four circle. Okay, so let's see this one. I am taking just a minute. Yes, see, up to it is the same length, it is the same length. Okay, so I have now I am cutting here, I am cutting here. Yes, so it is 2 times, it is 2 times. Now once again I take this one, once again I take same length of wool. It is tied here. Okay, now once again I am taking same length of wool. Okay, okay, same. So 3 times I have taken. Okay, I am taking 4 times. See now, is it same or not? Let's see. Yes, see here, it is near about 4. So 4 piece of wool is here and they are same length. That means total surface area of the sphere is 4 times of a circle, and hence it is proved here that curved surface area of this sphere is equal to 4 times of the same radius of circle. Okay, area. That's all.